going on in the city. Barangay captain taking the oath of office to assume their functions tomorrow and everything. The justices of the Court of Appeals are here. The kind of was really catching up my breath to be with you. Very sorry. Ako yung tao na nakornihan kaagad. Nung sa Bisaya, yung sabi na tumitindig yung balahibo namin. I don't know if it's just a pretended sentiment or maybe a part of my persona. But really, to si Stella, she was talking about this coffee book. Sabi ko, huwag mo na lang akong isali. Dublihin ko na lang yung advertisement ko dyan. Huwag mo akong isali. When I get to be the cynosure or the attention of the crowd, I begin to feel uneasy. That has always been my nature. Kaya lang, I'm pushed to the platform of politics, so I began to develop this talent of just talking forever. Pero pagbaba ko, I can imagine I'm talking to mannequins, so I can move faster. Otherwise, I would stammer and begin to think whether the audience like enjoying my talk or not. I begin to have some bakukang dito. I tend to get lost. But anyway, I have not said the coffee. Sabi ko nga, umaling ako isali. But let me be very personal with you this afternoon. Kasi baka nandyan nga ako sa libro na yan. And I am not pulling my own chair this afternoon, this moment. But I would like to talk about myself. Kasi yung asawa ko, hinihila ako kanina, kaya rin ako na medyo na late. She was asking only for 10 minutes for me to read yung mga comments. I don't know how to use the computer. I do not even know how to open it. Totoo, even my sermon. I'm just maybe, ayaw nang, at 84 years old, ayaw na pumasok yung dynamics ng mga gadgets. I simply refuse to remember. That is why I said, my wife helped me this afternoon. So basahin mo lang. This thing about running for president, it's not only silly, it sounds odious to me. Alam mo, this started when offhand statement. Alam mo, Pilipino ako. And I would admit that I also enjoy the perks of the office. For the last 24 years, mayor ako dito, I've been kind of enjoying the privileges. I enjoy the... Totoo yan. And salaries, multiple kasi one time, you're the mayor, you're the kind of palinggi, there's a committee for that. It's a corporate thing, a semi-corporate government thing, where you get to be the chairman, tapos may allowances ka. And at the time of Gloria, I was also receiving a huge amount, being a consultant of the Peace and Order consultant office of the Office of the President. Marami akong pera. Hindi ko dinayan. But pagdating nitong sa Congress na, etong amin, talagang voucher to. Pagod. I mean, I had to travel throughout the Philippines, killing people, there and there. And killing them with that. Silly them. Kaya, pupunta ko, dosan ako ni Gloria, marami akong pera, gano'n, totoo yan. But when I get to distribute money, I go to the general up of the mountains, especially during the crucial years, punta ako sa bukid, in front of the general, bibigay ko ng pera. Idadaya ko. Mrs. President, I'm talking to General Cruz and I gave him the 50,000. Pasapin mo si President. Gano'n marami kaya there's stories woven about us handling so much money. Correct. Pero itong Congress kasi, iba to. For the life of me, I've been a prosecutor for 10 years. When you're a congressman and you set up a foundation and house that foundation with your wife as chairman, your children, your nephews and nieces, that by itself, without disappropriating a single centavo, is already graft and corruption. Basta hindi mo gastos, basta ilagay mo asawa mo, ilagay mo yung anak mo, that by itself is already a violation of Republic Act 1319, giving undue advantage to your family to the exclusion of other. Meaning to say, nepotism. You're not supposed to. Kaya sabi, this started when I said that if I were the president, I will rebel against my own government. I will abolish Congress and everything in government that's a useless thing, and run it and give maybe appoint ko Kongwe Lusyutan to handle the finances of the Philippines. Yala, sila yung tingin ko magkano gastusin natin. Tayo dito, sabi ko, we just run government day to day until such time that we can return to normalcy. Na-pick up ata ito ni, I don't know who, Doresa and June Ledesma, began to write about rebelling against government. Ano mo, nag-pick up yan, sabi nila, yan ang gusto ng Pilipino. And one day I get to be popular because I want a rebellion in this government. Wala siguro silang tiwala sa NPA because they're banking on me to do it. Yan ang ano, then I will like it to rebel and started about corruption at any generation and any age. Meron talaga. But ito lang kasi, magprangkahan tayo. Marami man kami dito sa gobyerno. Meron tayong boundary. Adre, hanggang dito lang ako. I cannot go beyond dito. Hindi pwedeng magbuha ka ng foundation tapos i-direct mo sa foundation, ibalik mo yung pera. Mahirap na yan. Alkansim eh. Kawawa naman kami na nahuli na. When I was in Congress 1998 to year 2000, I never liked it. Noon pa nandiyan na yan. No offense intended. When you get to sa ginagato kasi baka hindi niyo ito mabasa. These are the things that you won't read in. So dapat malaman ninyo. Pilipino kayo. Pilipino tayo. Paglabas mo lang sa plenary, maraming footages makita mo sa salita walang tao. It's a politicization is going on. Pag itong mga congressman kami, nasa ano yan? Nasa cafeteria, sige, kape-kape lang. Magsalita ka lang dyan. You know, listening to the idiots really was good. Okay na sana, subject matter is outlandish. But when you begin to talk about your grammar's structure, listening to the idiots is really a punishment. So spend time drinking coffee. Paglabas mo dyan, lalapit ng no offense intended, I repeat. Lalapitan ka na magandang babae, but usually, hindi ito yung mga bata. Not body, yung mga pinubay. It's byuda o hiwalay sa asawa. Yan. Yan ang gagamitin nila. Not only na police. Marami yan. Congressman Duterte, kami ng coffee. So, kami have dinner tonight. Sus na po, ma'am. Ang asawa ko si Lusa. At nananaksak talaga yan. Ito ngayon, nananaksak talaga. Taga-bangkal yan eh. Itong si ito. I'm not trying to be, mahuli tayo dito. Patay na tayo. Iba yung German, yung number 1. Yung kuya rin yun. Umahagi sila. Umahagi. Kaya dito ako sa number 2, ganun rin. But anyway, ganun ang, I never liked it. Now, before I make my exit, I'm setting the stage for my retirement. Maybe after this. Baka gusto nyo malaman saan yung PDF ko noon. Yung ABS-CBN, kayong ABS, masyadong alikabok kayo noon, naawa lang ako sa inyo. Tsaka, magaganda sila sa ABS-CBN. Naawa ko dyan, abog na kayo, ay yung palabas ng highway. Then yung Katalunan Grande, straight ka, then you go out to Quintal. Katalunan Grande, dito, lalabas ka ng Mindanao. pati yung mga subdivision ng mga disabled. Yan sa Catalonia Road. That's your money went during my time. It was only 3 years. Hindi masyadong. Pero, at least sabi ko sa inyo, before I go, it's really public accounting of what I did when I was in Congress. Ngayon, balik tayo dyan sa presidente sinabi. I'm not interested. Sumatapag nakukurnihan ako. Pupunta lang ako doon sa Leyte. Na presidente na kaagad o action kaagad. Pilipino na pa. Yan lang. Oh. Tapos gusto nila tapos Duterte dapat kasi patay nila. Alam mo, if you really want to know the real equation of the presidency, walang magandang lalaki o walang magandang pangit na lalaki na pumasok diyan sa presidency, lumabas maganda. Baka interesado ko, lumabas kayo diyan gwapo, lalabas kayo pangit. Pagkatapos sa presohan ka diretso, Arroyo, Estrada. Ba't ako papasok ako sa akin gago? Ganda-ganda ng buhay ko. May dalawa ko ng asawa, may dalawa akong girlfriend. Ito pa, naman yung gano'n. O kita mo, pakpak ko yun. That's what I said about Filipinos, really. Cannot seem to get thought of what would be the real value of a person to be aspiring to that. Hindi ako. Kaya ako I was forced to come up with this statement. Nung lumalabas, it was about time. Ayaw ko lang sabi, but there's a movement somewhere here. Actually, sabihin mo to, mga military, they're starting cajole me ito, calling yung figurehead, tapos yes. That's what I said. I am not interested. I do not dream of what I cannot be. I can only aspire for what I can be. Ako ng Leyte, wala na, nandiyan na agad, maraming tawag. Sabi ng mga classmate ko, ito na, presidente ka na pala, nag-deliver ka na ng medicine. And I said, a typhoon, however vicious, does not make someone a probable presidential candidate. Well, tayo, let us raise the marami niyan. Ako, kung gusto niyo mo, you really want an endorsement, right? Justice Puno. Justice Puno, he would be a good president. Problema lang kung manalo. But if he perchance, any reason, there's going to be, wag lang panahon ni Aquino. Because I supported Aquino. It could be the height of incongruity. At kung sabihin ko naman na palitan niya sa inyo, that's basic. Not during his time. Not during his time. Saka malinis yung tao. Simple na hindi niya kaya. So yan ang istorya ko. Pandagdag ko dito. Really not mine. Seems to be mine, but it's not mine. It's about the presidency. And we have to look for a better. Wag si Duterte. Kasi hindi kayo maliligayahan sa akin. Sabi, totoo yun. Hindi ka maliligayahan sa akin kasi ang alam ko, totoo yan kasi alam itong Pilipino na ito. Ang alam ko talaga Kaya mo? Kaya mo? Kaya mo? Kaya yan. Ano bang nagawa ko? You want to ask me, what have you done for the last 24 years? Okay, you've been mayor for 24 years. So what have you done? Kayo, alam mo mo. Ito manood ka sa TV Patrol. Marinig tayo ni De Lima. This Secretary De Lima is really my dilemma. She seems to pick up every word. But you see, let me end it by saying, well, there are things which I have to do because I'm the mayor. And maybe I'm the only one who can really happen. Iba, sophisticated with mayor kasi makalaro. Pagkasabi ako, putang ina mo, papatayin kita litsi ka at namatay. Tanong sa akin ng media dito, ito sa Estela noon, o mayor, yung sinabi mo, patay mo, namatay, ha? Istorya mo na yung akin, sino gumawa ron? Istorya mo lang na. Ay, ibig sabihin, ako magsabi pamatay, tapos patayin ko. Anong paningin mo sa akin? Gago? Sabi naman ng media, gago pa talaga. This is not really to jump in your enthusiasm in my administration, or at me, or at anybody, whatever. Just a matter of being frank with you. And just to add something to the Bimburigan. Ako ayaw ko eh. Ako hindi ako maniwala, kasi sinong tanongin mo? Hindi ako nanonood sa sarili ko. Yung interviewin ako, that becomes controversial. Ano panood? Ngayon si Taberna, kita ko, talo ako ng pagpakyo, putang ina. Talo ko na 50 kami. Ilang allowance yun, hanggang December yun. Ay, ang posta ko kasi, hindi abot ng 6 round. Ang bugiro yung sikanong yawa nyo, puta ina. Hindi ka mag-abot 6 round. Sa posta ko kay Elvis dyan yung Chinese dyan sa San Juan, talo ako, 20,000. So anyway, kita kami ni Taberna, nag-uusap sila ni De Castro. Palabas na sa vaccine. Sabi ni De Castro, oh, Rudy, Secretary Commercial, Mr. Vice President, hindi na tayo, ikaw pa rin siya, kasi dumaan ko. Si Taberna na dyan, oh, ito ba si, sabi niya, picture tayo, picture siya sa akin. Pinabukasan, marami na siyang sinasabi. Pinutang ina ko raw siya doon sa silang dalawa ni Nograles. Ganun yan eh. Sabi nila may interview. Si Boy Nograles na doon na pala sa studio. Alam ko anong yung issue na yun. Anong hinarap niya? Ang una niyang tinanong si Boy. Dapat ako tinanong niya kasi hindi ko alam na niya si Boy. Sila nag-usap na. Maybe, but perhaps. Ganun kami nang sabi ko, potang ina Nograles, let's-check ka. Sabi niya, Mayor, hindi pa, pati ikaw, let's-check kayo lahat yan. At marami na siyang salita. Sabi niya, gano'n. Sabi ko, subit. You don't like my style, I don't like you. Ngayon, pinapatakbo na niya ako ng presidente. Ay, gano'n ko. Dito na tayo. Pumapayat ako. I've been very frank with you. May ngayon payat ako. But 2 months ago, medyo taba ako. It's my Barrett actually. Ang mga tubiran eh. Again. Inuya. Wala ako. Good choice. Mamili kayo para wala kayong sisisihin ko di sarili mo. Ay baka wala sabi ako, Duterte kasi nagsabi na nagkalat na pala itong unggoy na ito. Adi, ito yan inyo. Para kung ano-anong mangyari sa buhay ninyo, inyo yan. Ako, I'd be happy to retire. I think I have served you as a prosecutor for almost 10 years. I was doing trial work every day. Then I served you as Vice Mayor, OIC. Kaya ako talagang again, utang na loob yan. The mother appointed me as OIC. Kami ni Respicio many years ago. Then I served 3 years as your congressman. Tama na yun. Okay na. Alam mo minsan, I ended by saying, alam mo minsan ang tao nasisira sa nation. Either it's keeping up with Dionysus or you hunger for something na alam mo hindi mo naman kaya. Diyan nasisira. And you can either drag the whole country with you or you destroy yourself. Ako, I'm not saying I'm successful or not. History will be the judge. Not you, not me. But maybe many years from now. So I end up by saying I'm very sorry for being late. I had to catch up with my so many things to do for this afternoon. I'm gratified, Stella. Ito talaga yung pinabribe ko. Kaya buhay yan. Sabi ko, Stella, kung kailangan mo ng advertisement dyan, 2 pages ako. Pagbayad ako balik, wag mo lang akong isali kasi ayaw ko yung usahin ako. Magbasa ka dyan, tapos tangin na itong gagong ko, lumabas. Maganda na ang kaluluwa mo, mayroon pa magmumura sa iyo. Maraming salamat po.